Good morning, children. This is 4th standard English class. 4th standard English class. Hope you all are fine. Today in our class we are going to see S3 children. Block 2 S3. As per my previous class instructions, keep your books and stationery ready. Keep your books and stationery ready. Okay. In block 2 S3, we are going to see the key details and main idea. What we are going to learn in today's topic? Key details and main idea. Now, look at the board, children. I wrote 2 sentences on the board and then we are going to discuss about the 2 sentences. Okay. Can you see? Here I wrote the first sentence. The lion caught the mouse. This is mouse, children. Okay. The first sentence is the lion caught the mouse. Second sentence, I wrote, the mouse helped the lion escape in the end. The mouse helped the lion escape in the end. Here I wrote 2 sentences, children. Can you guess which story is this? Can you guess which story is this? Yes, The Lion and the Mouse. What is the title of the story? The Lion and the Mouse. Very good. Now, I'll ask you one question. Here I wrote the first sentence as the lion caught the mouse. Why did the lion caught the mouse? What might have happened? The story starts like this only, children. So we don't know what, something is missing over there in the first sentence. Why did the lion caught the mouse? Okay, now see the second sentence. The mouse helped the lion escape in the end. So here we came directly to the end. And what happened at the end? The mouse helped the lion. Oh. So, that means what might have happened? Maybe lion was in some problem and then mouse helped the lion. And here in the first sentence, the lion caught the mouse. That means mouse might have escaped from the lion, and when the lion was in the trouble, mouse came to help the lion, and that was the ending of the story. So here there are few points which are missing. Here there are few points, few sentences or few points which are missing. The main sentences which are missing are called as key details. The main sentences which are missing, they are called as key details. Idea, main idea means what? Main idea means the title of the story is there, what might have happened, that is rough. And even that, the characters, setting, beginning, middle and end. Some important things will be there in that. Those are called as the key details. So, today we are going to learn about the key details and main idea. Key details and main idea. Now what did you understand, children? That the key details gives the important information about the characters, settings and their actions. Okay. Key details gives the important information about the characters, setting and their action. Now open your workbook, children. Open your workbook S3 and write today's date 12-8-2020. Now I am going to tell you where can we use these key details. Where can we use these key details? Key details we can use in characters, setting and their actions. Characters, setting and their actions. And not only these, but the key details will be in the beginning of the story, middle of the story and end of the story. Okay. Now what is main idea? What is main idea? Main point the author tries to make through all the key details. Now by seeing all these key details, what is the main point the author is going to tell us? What he wants to tries to explain us, that is called as the main idea. Okay. Open your reader, children. This is your reader, right? Class 4 English content book. Class 4 English content book. Open the torch lesson, children. Now we are going to find out the key details in the torch lesson. Open the torch lesson. Now this is the first page of the lesson. This is the first page of the lesson. We are going to see what all are the key details in this paragraph. In this paragraph, the key details are scientist Dr. Ganesha, scientist named Ganesha. He is a character, right? And what is the main key detail over here? That he discovers by accident. What did he discover? A torch which turned the things into gold. What did he discover? He made an accident. He made a discovery by accident. He found a way to turn anything into gold. This is the key detail over here. Then what happened in the next page? Yes, in this page. What is the key detail in this page? Second page. The main key detail in the second page is he found that they turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. This is the key detail. Okay. Then another one is he helps Maya. Turn the next page. Then he helps Maya, a poor woman. How did he help? By giving a gold apple. Golden apple. Yes. He tells her about the torch and gives her more gold objects. In next day also he finds her crying. Then he gives more golden objects to her. And he told the secret about the torch, that the torch can turn the things into gold. Okay, so these are the main key details in each and every paragraph and the actions what they have done, the characters. Okay, next on the page. Here Maya becomes greedy. Here Maya becomes greedy and wants more things what the scientist gives her. She becomes greedy and she wants more things. Next. In this paragraph, that is in this picture or paragraph, what is the main key detail? Can you see the picture? The torch broke, right? So as a result, she steals the torch from his house. What did she do when after becoming greedy? She steals the torch from Dr. Ganesha's house. Okay. Then she destroys the torch. How does she destroy? She was continuously operating it without knowing the secret. There is a secret, right? That in the second page we have seen. For at least half a day the light should be shown on the things. But she doesn't know how the things turned into gold. So just she was operating the torch and the torch got spoiled. The torch glass has been broken. Then what happens? Maya realizes her mistake of being greedy. Maya realizes her mistake of being greedy. And Dr. Ganesha also is sad because of the theft. And he decides never invent such things again. Now this is your workbook, right? S3. Block 2, S3, key details and main idea. Key details and main idea. See the first question, children. Read the paragraph, list the key details and write the main idea. Now we are going to read the paragraph. Now we are going to read the paragraph and you are going to list the key details and write the main idea of the paragraph. It is the same story of Dr. Ganesha, children. There once was an old scientist named Dr. Ganesha who loved to help people. One late summer evening, he made a discovery that happened by accident. He found a way to turn anything into gold. The electricity had gone out and his torch was not working. Using a few materials lying here and there, he made a new type of battery. By mistake, he left the torch on when he went to bed. It lay on his desk, shining on a pen stand. The next day, he found that the pen stand had turned into pure gold. Over the next few days, he tried the torch on other objects. He found that objects turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. Dr. Ganesha was thrilled. He thought about all the good such an invention could do for humanity. He decided to help people as much as he could. Now see here, this is the story of the torch only. Yes? Now by seeing this first paragraph, we are going to write the key details. See here, I have already done for you list of key details. List of key details. He found a way to turn everything into gold. Put a full stop. That is your A bit. Once again I am reading A bit. He found a way to turn everything into gold. Now B bit. He found that objects turned into gold if the light from the torch shone on them for at least half a day. These are the main two key details from the first paragraph. Okay. Now see what is the main idea of these 2 points. In A bit, he decided to help people as much as he could. He decided to help people as much as he could. And the B bit is Dr. Ganesha discovered a torch that could turn things into gold. Now coming to question number 2, children. Here based on this, I wrote the key details and the main idea. Now here, look at the question first. Imagine that the torch turned everything to dust. Actually, torch turned all the things into gold. But now we are going to imagine that the things changed into dust. Read the first paragraph above with this thought and write the new main idea with the new key details to support your main idea. Now here you see, I wrote answers for this also. List of key details and the main idea over here. Is it clear, children? I want you to complete your workbook. Once you see the first key details and main idea for first paragraph. Don't write any mistakes, children. If the answers are very big, keep only half finger space and write little bit small. And use only pencil to write in workbook. Class workbook, pen. Now this is the second answer. See that you complete your workbook day to day, children. Okay. So meet you in the next class now. That is S for writing.